All right, well, the teens accused of intentionally hitting and killing retired police chief Andreas Probst will stay in jail for now with no bail. And showing no emotion, both suspects appeared in court for the second time today. Our Jaewon Jung was there.
Defense attorneys for murder suspects Jesus Ayala and Jzamir Keys chose not to address bail at Tuesday's hearing. That means bail arguments will likely be heard at a later date, and prosecutors will continue to seek no bail.
To understand what you're charged with.
18-year-old Jesus Ayala and 16-year-old Jzamir Keys were arraigned in Clark County Justice Court Tuesday morning.
Both of these defendants have been charged with murder with use of a deadly weapon, attempt murder with use of a deadly weapon, and a number of other felonies.
Ayala is being represented by public defender David Westbrook. Keys was represented by private attorney Dan Hill, who told Channel 13 he was hired by the Keys family.
Both defense counsels chose not to address bail today, so both of these defendants are currently being held on no bail.
Metro investigators say Ayala was the driver and Keys the passenger in an intentional hit and run, striking and killing a cyclist from behind in the Northwest Valley on August 14th. That cyclist was Andreas Probst, a retired California police chief. Police say Keys recorded the incident, and the video has since gone viral. Channel 13 has decided to only use selected screenshots from this video out of respect for the Probst family.
His agency, his officers really well respected him.
Don Meredith is a retired Glendale, California police lieutenant.
I knew Andy mainly professionally from back in the days when he was at Bell PD.
Meredith recalls Probst as a good leader who cared about his community and family.
To be murdered the way he was murdered, not the way he should have gone out.
Hill told Channel 13 while he wouldn't be commenting about the case on behalf of Keys, quote, "We would like to allow the families to mourn respectfully." The Probst family was in court Tuesday.
Andy's family is very strong. They loved their husband and father.
Ayala is back in court on October 10th, Keys on November 8th, both scheduled for preliminary hearings. At the Regional Justice Center, I'm Jaewon Jung.
And the Probst family sent this statement to ABC News. It reads in part, quote, "There are no words in this world that can express how truly devastated and heartbroken we are. Andy was a one-of-a-kind man, and for two individuals to take his life in such a cold and callous way is sick. We are praying that justice is served."
And Channel 13 has obtained 911 calls detailing the moments after police say the two teens hit Probst with a stolen car. Nearly a dozen calls flooded Metro Police dispatchers. The calls reveal moments of anguish and helplessness witnesses felt after watching Probst get run over while riding his bike.
Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Medical. I just passed a person's bicycle. It looks like they were struck. They're not moving.
Please send emergency now. Quick, he is breathing.
Okay, we have a call set up already, okay?
You said it was on Centennial and what?
Tanea. Oh my God. The person's laying in the street. He does not look good at all.
911 calls from that morning also indicate less than an hour before Probst's killing, the teens allegedly hit another cyclist near Fort Apache and Washburn. The cyclist survived and called for help.